Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be learning how to make margarita. Alright, let's go through the ingredients. First thing we need is a blender, of course. In our blender we'll add 3 cups of crushed ice, and yes. Alright, the next thing we'll be adding will be a cup of margarita mix. You can literally use any brand, and then we'll be adding 1 cup of tequila. Yay! Alright, next thing you want to do is to mix it up. Alright, just mix it up for about, blend it up, of course, I'm sure you understand. Blend it for about 15 to 30 seconds, and boom, that's it! Yay! Our drink is ready. Alright, now it's time to serve. You can just serve with like ice cubes in your cup. Just add the yummy drink to the cup and you're good to go. Alright, some of you are probably wondering, besides, what do you take this thing with? Of course, do not stress. I do have a recipe that I just uploaded a few days ago, which is puff puff. I love this drink with puff puff. I feel like, oh my gosh, if you haven't had it before, you are missing. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share, and have a beautiful day. Bye bye.